I recommend getting the free text editor Notepad++. It allows you to use the Tab key to move blocks of text to the right or left. You use the Shift and the Tab key to move in the opposite direction. You can also delete sections of text by first moving the cursor to the deletion point, next holding down the Alt key, then the left mouse key, and finally delete. You can sort files and even remove consecutive duplicate rows.